Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut of Epic Games in Windows 11. So for this you have to click on the start button, then you have to search for the Epic Games launcher, then you have to click on the open file location. After that it will simply take you to the file location, then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on the show more options option from here. Then here you will get the option of send to, then you have to click on the send to, then you have to click on the desktop create shortcut. After you click on it, and here you can see we have already a desktop shortcut here. And then what you need to do, if that's not working, another thing that you can do is just simply click on the Epic Games from here. You have to right click on it, then you have to click on the pin to taskbar. If you click on it, if you close, then after you close the window of Epic Games, it will not remove the file from the taskbar. I mean, the icon will already show here. Now if you would like to add a game directly to your file, then you have to click on the library, and here you will get all the games, but here in my laptop there are no games. You have to simply click on the three dot option from the right hand side, and there you will get the option of create desktop icon. Then if you come back to the desktop, then main page, then here you will see the game icon. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.